Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can explore more text font in InShot. Alright guys, here I have already created a project in my InShot. Then let's just add the text first. We can tap on the text option. Then we're going to click on the text button right here. Then just type the text you want to add to your video. And for example, I'm going to add my journey. Okay, then if you want to change the font or you want to explore more fonts, you can tap on the A button right here. Then if you have already bored with the default font in InShot, you can explore the font right here, guys. You can tap on this icon. Then okay, these are the list of the font that we can use, and you can explore the font based on its category. Then for example, I'm going to select the handwriting category. If you want to use the font, you have to unlock the font first. So for example, I'm going to unlock this font. Tap on the unlock button. Then you can click on free unlock right here. Then wait until the process is completed. And now the font has been installed, as you can see. Then we can go back to the preview section. Then we can use this font. Okay, this one. You just need to tap on the font to use it. And if you want to import a font from your device, you can click on this button. Then you can import certain font to your InShot. Okay, and let's just go back. Alright guys, and that's how we can explore more text font in InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.